back to my channel, and this is where I'm going to do my unboxing video for May. This month is May. Okay, so I've actually got two boxes. I have my monthly order, and then I had enough ER points that I was able to get a small little something for myself that I've been needing to get for a while. So I'm going to go through the monthly order, and let's just get into it. So this month I got a lot more than what I usually get. I didn't focus just on oils. I've been wanting to try the Thieves dishwashing liquid, dishwash soap. So I'm super excited about this one. Of course, it smells like the Thieves line. It's got lemon, rosemary, eucalyptus, clove, and cinnamon in it, which is good for fighting bacteria and stuff like that. And you're going to notice my kitties. This one right back here is Raw. He's, of course, dead to the world right now. And then this one right here is Miss Luna. But they're helping me unbox today. So, got the dish soap. And then I've been wanting to try the kitty fur. I've been wanting to try the toothpaste. So I got the Aroma Bright toothpaste. It's got no fluoride in it, so that's, of course, it's got a minty smell to it. It smells really good. And I've actually heard of people using this as deodorant, but I went another way and I got the Mountain Mint deodorant. I got all kinds of like personal care products this month. I don't know what was up with me. But Mountain Mint has lemon, peppermint, rosemary, eucalyptus radiata, white fir, and clove oil in it. I'm going to open this up and smell it because I'm kind of intrigued. Of course, I'm going to have trouble with all kinds of packaging today. My allergies have been kicking my butt too. My lemon, lavender, and peppermint oil is not working like it usually does. I'm going to have to kick it up a notch. Ugh. Ooh, that smells really nice. I'm excited to try this. It's going to be so nice. And it's going to be a lot better than the deodorant that I have been using, because I got with one deodorant and it worked, and I have not changed since I found it. So switching over to this is going to be a little bit of a change for me. So I'll let y'all know how that one goes. And then my boyfriend, oh goodness, my boyfriend, he has been running low on his body wash and stuff. So I was like, let me try this. We're going to try the Shutran kind, and see if he likes it. Because if he does, I'll just start buying it through Young Living instead of through the regular department store. But I'm excited. Ooh, that smells really good. think he'll like it too. I have got cat fur up my nose right now, and it's just not working. That smells really good. Shutran has a lot of oils in it. So it's got pumpkin seed extract, Idaho blue spruce, I can't see without my glasses, ylang ylang, ocotea, davana, cedarwood, lavender, coriander, lemon, Northern Lights black spruce. That's why I like it, because it's got that in it. And yeah, that's all it's got in it. It smells really good. If y'all haven't tried it, to me it smells good. Hopefully he likes it, because I like it. Okay, the next one I got, first tube of oil I got was Christmas Spirit, because I'm running low on mine and I didn't want to run out, so I had to get me a little replacement. And then the next one I got was Spearmint, because I make a lemon, spearmint, and peppermint tea every morning. Luna, honey, you're noisy. But I make a lemon, spearmint, and peppermint tea every morning. And of course I'm running low, so I got all 3 of those. So I'm sure that's what's in my other 2. Yep, peppermint is in this one. I got a 15 ml because they're the same oil, but... And then my lemon one. I got the 15 ml in that one because they're the same oil, same as Vitality, and I am going to use that one. So the last oil I got was the promo oil, and that was lime. And I've had lime before. I absolutely love it, and I'm not running low on it, but it's good to have a backup bottle. I'm glad that I got it. Okay, and then of course the last things in here are the Essential Edge and my packing slip. Okay, let's go on to my quick order, because that one is the one I'm most excited about getting, because I've been out of this for quite a while. I kind of peeked at my packing slip because I couldn't help it. I got, I believe, yeah, 1 oil and then 1 new to me item in my quick order. And that was I got the lavender lip balm, which for some reason right now the air in Oklahoma is super dry, and I mean it's been raining every so often, so I don't know why. I guess it's just me. My skin, my lips, my hair, it's all dry right now, and so I figured, let's get some lip balm through the Young Living and try it out, because I haven't got to try it yet. And so we're just going to see how nice and luxurious it is, because I've heard good things about it. I mean, if I can get it open. This is like an every product thing. I butcher it to get it open. And then it's really nice, and it smells divine, because I love lavender. Like back over here in my little diffuser, it's going right now. Not that I need any calming or anything, but I just like the smell of it. And then my little thing for myself was a 15 ml bottle of Panaway. I use this one in a muscle rub that I make. It's coconut oil, Panaway, RC, Copaiba, and Panaway, RC, Copaiba. And there's one other oil that I put in there, but I never can remember it until I get to making it, of course. But I can post that in the bottom bar for you guys so that you know what's in it. And then I also just rub it on my problem areas after I work out. Like my shoulder really hurts a lot of the times, and then I rub it on my knee. And then I use it on the bottom of my foot for nerve pain. It's not really intense nerve pain, but I mean it helps support that pain. It goes away within a little while, so I mean it's not terrible, but this really seems to really help. So that is all my goodies for my Young Living order this month, and I hope that you guys enjoy these unboxing videos that I've been doing. If you have any comments or suggestions, if you can leave them in the comments below. I would love to help you in your journey with the Young Living oils. If you haven't already started that journey, my information is going to be down in the description box, and you can get in contact with me and we can get you set up to get your hands on some oils, because these oils and products have drastically changed our household within the last 6 months. We don't spend as much on other products that are toxic for us, so if you're looking to get into it, just private message me, or I'm sure I'll put my number down there. You can text me or something, and you'll get me as a trainer, and our line is through, you'll get set up on our Facebook page called Late Night Chiropractic, and we're under, I believe it's Rhonda Favano. She is one of our upline ladies, and she likes to pour education into us a lot. So if you guys have any questions, comments, I'd love to hear from you guys. You guys have a good day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.